Americans love pizza, and pizza from a food truck is no exception. Pizza trailers are a great option for a food truck business because of its high demand. Did you know that 94% of Americans eat pizza regularly? Which type of pizza trailer will work best for you? A brick oven or a pizza trailer? Watch to learn some key differences. Pizza oven equipment inside the trailer, which usually cannot be seen from the outside. Large variety of LP pizza decks ovens to choose from. 4 to 8 decks. Single to triple conveyor ovens. Brand new triple deck models can cook 3 18-inch pies in 3.5 minutes, which equates to 24 large slices. Easier to control heat and cooking rates, easier to maintain and clean. Brick oven trailers often make the pizza oven a focal point. You can see the brick oven from the outside of the trailer. Commercial pizza oven with domes that are displayed in the porch of the trailer. Custom handcrafted tile or mosaic, or keep it without tile with a base color. Crowd pleaser. It will draw attention just because of its beautiful dome. Retained heat can exceed 600 degrees the next day, so oven recovery times exceed most competitor ovens. Up to 10 pizzas at once, or 200 pizzas per hour. It takes 90 seconds to cook. Great smoky flavor that customers love. Generally more expensive. You can consider which style you like the best by looking at our website gallery. If you want to check out pricing, check out our shop section for models and layouts, or call us now, 888-390-4479, to discuss your options to customize your dream brick oven or pizza trailer.